pleased with their asking rate. He's bowling well. Needs to be careful here, Mohsin. As a batter, you don't want to be stuck in the crease, HD, to a ball that's turning.
Well, the other thing you don't want is Malanta to lose his momentum.
Yeah. Lots happening in the middle.
There is turn. And it just holds and bites, doesn't it? In the pitch.
Gets off the mark. Sun's playing hide and seek at the moment here with the clouds. He's breaking out of the clouds and coming in.
Just wonder now, this left-hander on strike. Didn't have it for 3 deliveries. Been 14 since the last boundary. He'll be getting itchy. Even though they're well ahead of the game, he'll be getting itchy.
Yeah, he's trying to pierce that offside for a while now. Fairly understandable. You want to go with the turn. I reckon something will give you. Nicely driven. Another very tidy over. Only 4 runs coming off it. So good passage of play for the Royals. They've kept things quiet. 77 for 1. It's all about nerves and momentum from here on. A good start for the Janakpur bowls. They accumulated 71 in the first 6 overs. One of the best power plays in the tournament. Should I say second best overall. And then a wicket of Asif and things have gone a little quiet. Time since the last boundary, 16 deliveries. You need a couple of Manhattans if you're in the Janakpur bowls.
It's the Scotsman, Brandon McMullen, with his little seamers. So they're just not willing to risk the left arm spin of Zabe against the left-handed Malanta. 7 bowlers used now.
Nicely driven. Straight to the fielder. Milanta's just trying to be a little adventurous in his crease. There's 7 bowlers used in 8 overs, HD.
Mixing and matching. All to do with left-handed, right-handed combinations, and 2 left-handers at the crease now. So for Dipendra Singh Airee, he just feels he's not going to risk bowling left-arm spin.
Yeah, the asking rate was inside 9 when Asif and Milanta were in the middle, and it's just gone over 9, a little over 9. That should not be a panic concern.
No, they're still ahead. The same stage, at exactly the same stage, the Royals were 71 without loss. But just remember who's still sitting with his pads on, Jimmy Neesham. So the bowlers will be saying, we need to contribute, we need to get it, we need to get us close, and then our finisher can do the job. We've left him with too much to do too often.
Yeah, he's got a good hold of this one, and that's into the crowd as well. That's Milanta in his zone. And he's building the ball extremely well this afternoon.
Again, when you don't have a huge amount of pace and when you try to bowl slower balls and cutters, you can't get your length that wrong, because this just sat up and said, hit me. And Malanta said, with pleasure.
With both hands, HD. As easy as it gets. And look at that. Neesham is saying, finish it off, guys. I'm happy sitting in the dugout. Smartly done. This is intelligent cricket.